Okay, now look at the problems. These are 2 marks problems, very simple. Show that the function f from n to n given by f of x is equal to 2x is 1 but not onto. Look at the function. It is from natural number to natural number. Say, you know that natural numbers means it start from 1, 2, 3 up to dash 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 up to infinity. Similarly, the codomain also set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dash 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 like that. Okay, now the function is like this. F of x is equal to 2x. Say f of 1, image of 1 is 2. 2x, 2 into 1 is 2. Image of 2 is 4. 2 2s are 4. 2x. Image of 3, 2 into 3, 6 like this. Okay. Similarly, image of 4, 8. Image of 5, 10 like this. F of x is equal to 2x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now look at this. It is very clear that this is one function. Different elements having different images. No two elements have the same image. ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. 4, 5, 6 ಹೀಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ you will get different images. Distinct elements of the domain have distinct images in set B. Therefore, it is one function. Write it generally. Suppose f of x1 is equal to f of x2. You know that according to the definition, if a function is 1, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Now look at this. F of x is 2x. F of x1 is 2x1. F of x2 is 2x2. Sorry, 2x2. 2x2. F of x1 is 2x1. F of x2 is 2x2. Now, divide throughout by 2, you will get 2 to get cancelled. X1 is equal to x2. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is one function. Now, what about onto? You know that according to the definition, onto function means each element of the codomain has image of any element of your domain. ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. Look at this. 1 is not the image of any element. 3 is also not the image of any element of your set n. Similarly, 5 is not the image of any element. Like that. Okay. Here you will get many elements. Those are not the images of any elements. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾವುದರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Just give one example and say that it is not onto. For 1 belongs to n. 1 belongs to n means codomain. There does not exist any x belongs to your domain such that f of x is equal to 2x is equal to 1. According to the definition, if a function is onto, then for every y belongs to the codomain, there exists x belongs to domain such that f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y. According to the definition, f of x is equal to y. But here, there does not exist such element x in your domain such that f of x is equal to 2x is equal to 1. 1 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. Or you can write 3. For 3 belongs to n, there does not exist any x belongs to n such that f of x is equal to 2x is equal to 3. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರೀರಿ. Therefore, it is not onto. Okay, now next problem is prove that the function f from R to R given by f of x is equal to 2x is 1 and onto. Here function is from real number to real number. F of x is equal to 2x. As similar to the previous problem, suppose f of x1 is equal to f of x2, where x1, x2 belongs to your domain R. According to this, f of x1 is equal to 2x1, f of x2 is 2x2. 2 to get cancelled, you will get x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1. Here, your set is from real number to real number. Real number. It contains all number. For example, 0, dash, 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 1, dash, 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 minus 1, like that. Dash, 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 2, dash, 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 minus 2. You will get many numbers. Here, image of 0 is 0. According to this, 2x, 2 into 0, 0. Image of 1 is 2 ones are 2. 2 somewhere here. In between these two numbers, you will get infinitely many. For example, in previous case, 1 is not the image of any element of your domain. But this is set of real number to real number. Therefore, 1 is image of half. Real number. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ half ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 2 into half is 1. Similarly, if you take any number, say minus 3. Minus 3. For minus 3, you will get here minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. 2 into minus 3 by 2 means minus 3. ಮೈನಸ್ 3 by 2 ನ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. Therefore, you will get infinitely many elements. They are not the images of any elements of your domain. But in this case, all the elements, all elements kuda image ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, write it generally. You know that 2x for any element x belongs to your domain. There exists y. Now, 2x is equal to y means x is in the form y by 2. X is equal to y by 2. For every element of your codomain, there exists y by 2. There exists x means y by 2 such that 2 times of y by 2 means y. For any y belongs to R codomain, there exists y by 2 belongs to R domain such that f of x means f of y by 2, here x is y by 2, is equal to 2x, 2 into y by 2, 2 to get cancelled, is equal to y. For any y belongs to R codomain, there exists y by 2 in domain such that f of y by 2 is 2 into y by 2 is equal to y. Therefore, f is onto. To check whether the function is 1, 1 and onto, you should very clear about the definition as well as you should take care of the domain and codomain. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ domain, codomain ಯಾವುದಂತ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.